Weiss was established in 2008 and is a comprehensive company focusing on the design, development, production and sales of supermarket displays, display props, and metal timber acrylic and other accessories. The company is equipped with advanced production equipment, skilled technology, rich management talents, and dedicated customer service team. Also, customized service is available from our company. Our factory is located in Shaanxi Town, Taikang City, Jiangsu Province, close to Shanghai, with a very advantageous geographical location. The factory is only a 45-minute drive from Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport and a 10-minute drive from the entrance of the G15 highway. The company adheres to the business philosophy of integrity and provides high-quality products and services.